Hi, I'm Joe, Product Manager at Smart Technologies. Alongside our IQ 3.2 stable release, we have a beta release coming to the beta channel. This one features Workspaces, which is the ability to turn one of the new whiteboards into a collaborative space that functions a lot like the CAP whiteboard did when you opened that up to sharing with the CAP mobile app. So inside the class panel, I already have a student waiting in my class lobby. All I have to do is start sharing the lesson with the class, and I'll have the opportunity to turn this page into a collaborative workspace activity. When I select that, the conversion will happen, and when I start the activity for the class, the first choice I have is whether or not I want to break the class up into groups. Since I only have a single student, I'm just going to keep everyone on one team. Inside the workspace, everything everyone does shows up for everyone. So here I can ink directly at the board. Students that are connected from their desktop, from their other computer, they can add media to the canvas. So someone's added a picture of the Seattle skyline. I can draw on top of that. They can add text, they can add ink. There's a lot more flexibility here with the workspace than there was in the CAP experience. So if you're in the beta channel, give the new workspace feature a try. And if you have feedback for us, visit us at smarttech.uservoice.com.